In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know if someone blocked you on LinkedIn. To begin, open LinkedIn and go to your main feed. This is the starting point because it gives you access to the search bar and lets you quickly look up the person you're trying to find. Make sure you're logged into your account, since search results and profile visibility can vary depending on whether you're signed in. Once you're on the LinkedIn feed, type the person's name into the search bar at the top of the page. Try to enter their full name if you know it, since that helps narrow down the results. If the name is common, you may need to pay close attention to profile details like their photo, headline, location, or workplace to see whether the correct person appears. Now, this is the important part. LinkedIn does not send you a notification if someone blocks you. So if you're expecting a clear alert or message telling you that you've been blocked, that won't happen. Instead, you have to rely on signs you can observe when searching for their profile. After searching, look carefully at what happens to their profile. If their profile is now completely inaccessible, that can be a strong clue. For example, if you previously could view their profile and now you suddenly can't access it at all, that change may indicate that they blocked you. This is especially useful if you're comparing what you used to see with what's visible now. Another common sign is that their account may no longer show their full name and instead appears as LinkedIn member. In some cases, you might also see a message like profile not found when you try to open their page. If that happens consistently, and especially if you were able to find them before, that's another indicator to pay attention to. When you combine these signs together, no notification, a profile that is completely inaccessible, and a name that is replaced with LinkedIn member or a profile not found message, you have likely been blocked. One quick tip here is to stay cautious before jumping to conclusions. Sometimes people deactivate their accounts, delete their profiles, or change visibility settings, which can create similar results. But based on LinkedIn's typical behavior, if the profile disappears in this specific way, being blocked is one of the most likely explanations. That's how to check whether someone may have blocked you on LinkedIn.